In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your game voice chat and mic's not working in Valorant on PS5 or the Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller and we're going to go to settings. Then what you want to do is scroll on over at the top until you get to audio, and then you want to use the trigger on your controller to scroll down to voice chat. Now you want to ensure that the incoming volume is turned up. Also, if you have a volume dial on your actual headset, that it's turned up as well. Now for the mic volume, I recommend you increase this value. And if you're having difficulties hearing yourself when you turn on the loopback test, what I recommend you do is try turning down your mic sensitivity threshold. This is going to make it easier for your mic to be picked up when you're talking into your microphone. As well as having a look on your actual headset, you may have a mute microphone feature or toggle. So you want to ensure that's not turned on either. So if you can hear yourself okay, that's great. Now, once you've done that, you can turn off the loop back test. Also ensure that enable voice chat's toggled on here. Now what we're going to do is actually go back to the game. And then what you want to do is have a look in the top left corner and see which button you have to press play. So once you're in this section, what you want to do is highlight your name and press A or X on it. Then what you want to do is ensure you haven't accidentally muted yourself. So you want to toggle this feature off. Then go to communication setup and you want to ensure voice chat's toggled on. And by default, you will be speaking to your team voice unless you have someone in your party, in which case you want to ensure that you're on team voice. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.